by GM. Surprise? Or get a 2009 Pontiac G8 starting at $25,479 during the Buick Pontiac GMC Red Tag event. Plus, get the best coverage in America. See your local Buick Pontiac GMC dealer today.
Side is keeping you connected to the digital switch coming to television in February.
Right now, we're going to run a digital test on this station so you can determine if your TVs are ready for the digital switch.
In the next 5 minutes, if you see Seinfeld on your screen, your TV set is ready for the digital switch.
If you don't see Seinfeld, then watch the test instructions to learn more about how to make your TV set digital ready.
And remember to check all of your TV sets during our 5-minute test. Starts right now.
This is a test shutoff of this station's analog television signal.
Esta es una prueba para ver si tu televisión está lista para la transición desde una señal analógica a digital.
If you can see this message and your television is not connected to cable or satellite, your set needs to be upgraded to digital before February 17, 2009 at 11:59 p.m. when this station goes all digital.
Si veas este mensaje y tu televisión no está conectada a cable o satellite, entonces necesitas preparar tu televisión por la conversión a digital antes del 17 de febrero 2009 a las 11:59 por la noche.
Now is a good time to check if the other antenna TV sets in your house are upgraded to digital.
Correct!
Ahora es una buena vez para examinar si las otras televisiones en su casa trabajan o si necesitas mejorar a digital.
To continue receiving free over-the-air television signals, upgrade to digital now with a converter box or a new TV set with a digital ATSC tuner.
Para continuar recibiendo señales de televisor gratis, entonces necesitan una caja de convertidor o una televisión nueva o un sintonizador digital ATSC.
Apply now for two $40 coupons that may be applied to your purchase of a DTv converter box.
Aplica ahora para 2 vales de $40 que puedan ser usados para comprar una caja de digital convertidor.
Call 1-888-DTV-2009 to apply for your coupons.
Llame 1-888-DTV-2009 para solicitar sus vales.
Or log on to www.dtv2009.gov to apply online.
O enseñar sesión a www.dtv2009.gov para aplicar en línea.
When your coupons arrive by mail, go immediately to a consumer electronics retailer to purchase your converter boxes.
Cuando tus vales llegan por correo, va a una mayorista de consumidores electrónicas para comprar sus cajas de convertidores.
Then try them out at home to make certain that you can receive your favorite station's digital programs.
Entonces intento usarlos en su casa para estar segura puedo recibir sus canales de gritos.
Here are Adam and Mike with some helpful hints about connecting your converter box.
Aquí están Adam y Mike con unas indirectas serviciales sobre cómo la televisión está conectada a la caja de convertidor.
Okay, so you've got an older TV with an analog tuner, rabbit ears, or maybe an antenna on the roof. The DTV transition is coming. Mike, walk us through just how we're going to get some quality digital viewing.
No problem. First of all, if you already have a cable or satellite provider, then you probably have to do nothing at all. And if you have questions about it, you can go ahead and contact your provider, and they can answer those for you. Now, if you have an analog TV such as this guy, and you have a rooftop antenna or rabbit ears, and you don't want to buy a new digital TV or do the pay TV, you can buy an actual DTV converter box such as this.
Okay, now give us the details about the coupons that people can get for this guy.
Well, each household can actually apply for up to 2 coupons worth $40 each.
But how much for the box?
Boxes range between $50 and $70, and you can pick them up at almost any retailer.
So show us how to hook this up.
Well, it's actually pretty easy. First thing we want to do is disconnect our antenna and hook it to our converter box. Once we do that, we're going to use our RCA connection, which is our preferred connection, and run that directly out of our box into our television. Now, if you don't have RCA jacks, not a problem. We can use the coax jack as well. So any regular antenna will be fine. You probably will not need anything new for that.
Okay, now what about my VCR? How do I hook that up?
VCR is just as simple. We're going to run out from our box into our VCR, into our TV. That's it.
That's easy. So what's next?
We'll next run an auto scan.
An auto scan?
Yep, the converter box will actually run an auto scan to pick up all channels in your area.
Huh. And that's all you have to do. No power tools. You don't have to hike up your pants and look concerned.
That's it. Now, if you don't feel like hooking up a converter box, we can have an installer such as myself come out and hook it up for you.
But that'll cost extra.
It's a flat fee if you want to contact the retailer you purchased it from to get more details on that.
Excellent. Well, thanks a bunch, Mike. Really appreciate it.
No problem.
Keep watching this station for more information on making the switch to digital TV.
Mantengan mirando este canal para más información en haciendo el cambio a digital desde Anirudka.